Hey guys, Castron coming at you with a brand new video. This video is going to be announcing the winner for Halloween 2018, the digital code contest. So we got 69 entries. This is everybody who's entered. I have the Halloween digital here because I'm going to be using the slot machine tonight. So I just want to thank everybody who participated in this one. You guys are so awesome. So we're going to go over here and pick the slot machine and find out who the winner is. You guys ready to find out who the winner is? Here we go. Ryan Hayward, congratulations. You are the winner for Halloween 2018's digital code. I will send you a message on Facebook. As always, Blu-ray, this is awesomeness. Until next time, guys, peace out.